the rear axle again. It is I have painted the tube, the chassis, and I have now to make the tactile verten and horizon. It is very important when you painted the tube to make the color white for easy to interpret it on the rust deck. And it is very good to close this area. I use this customer tools to make painted, and now the same for tactile the bows, the tube. So that is about the closing. The tube, I have used a plastic plug from, I think, for the home installation. You can buy from every, like Carway Netherlands, of another winkle to for the home installation, water installation. So it is very exactly the same. Here you have maybe 60 and here 80. It's very easy and simple. Right.